Another ranch truck here. Possible cracked head, blown head gasket. I don't know. It's using coolant though. It's a V10. They're known for having that problem. 96. You guys want to hear what a V10 with an exhaust leak sounds like? I know the answer. You can hear it popping. Maybe you can see it through the grass. Ugh. Should have thought how to do this first. That's blowing. You can just look over yonder. Sweet, man. Some people pay big money for that sound. Another project truck, basically. I told him we should swap a Cummins, and apparently swapping a Cummins into one of these V10 trucks, especially with the manual, is like the easiest Cummins swap imaginable besides putting a Cummins where a Cummins went. It's like direct bolt up. You just have to change the wiring harness, and if you want to be fancy. Otherwise, just use a 12 valve with a 12 volt to the pump, right? To the kill solenoid. Man, projects are stacking up here. I'm gonna title this thing like super awesome V10 noise. So any of you who listen to this and are extremely underwhelmed, I apologize a little bit, but not really.